Hello and welcome. I'd like to invite you to my Exploring the Depth of Tai Chi for Arthritis and Fall Prevention workshop. For nearly 50 years, I've been searching for the secret of Tai Chi, what makes it almost magical in improving health and inner strength. In this workshop, I will share in a clear and a practical way so that you can gain more health benefits, more enjoyment, and greater confidence in your Tai Chi practice. We will start with the fundamental Tai Chi principles, such as how to control your movements, how to improve your balance, your body alignments and structures. Then we'll go deeper into the internal components, the Jing and the Song. Song is a Tai Chi way of loosening from within or expansion from within your joints, leading to true relaxation and a smoother flow of Qi. Jing is the form of mental quietness, something like Tai Chi way of being mindful. All these principles are designed to cultivate Qi most effectively. Qi is the vital life energy that circulates throughout the body to support health and vitality. In another word, better Qi means better health and more vitality. Once you can feel this, you can continue to practice for as long as you like to develop your Tai Chi to as high as you like. After that, I will show you how to use the Yi, that's your mind, to direct the Qi and convert it into Jing, the internal force. Let me explain here. The Jing I used early on is a different Chinese word meaning mental quietness. Though they sound the same, the Jing I used just now is the internal force. You can see from the screen the two Chinese words are different, even though they sound the same. This process may sound esoteric, but I will make it as easy to understand and working with you step by step so that you can truly experience it in your practice. Over the past 30 years, I have conducted hundreds of these workshops around the world. People often tell me how much they have enjoyed the workshop and how much they have improved in their Tai Chi. Many return year after year. Some of them travel thousands of miles to explore deeper layers. What's more, we will also work on this process to create a smooth wave-like sequence. From converting the Qi to Jing, I'll show you how to slow down and move on like a wave to generate more Qi so that you can generate more Qi like the wave in river. Each wave propel the next to generate more hydroelectric power. The sequence cell generate more Qi and internal energy in an ongoing, natural way as you practice. In a sense, this workshop is about going inside the movements to integrate the external with internal, the mind and the movement. That's integrating body and mind to create yin-yang harmony. When mind and bodies are truly integrated, Tai Chi become more alive, more powerful, and more healing. Over the years, as my Tai Chi deepened, my teaching method also improved to become more clear and more effective. And that's why I believe this upcoming workshop will be the best yet. I hope you can come and join me and my colleagues. We look forward to share the insight and the enjoyment with you there.